Hello, and welcome to this week's edition of Mr. Daughtry's weekly video message. My name is Mr. Daughtry, one of the 6th grade social studies teachers at Orchard Lodge Middle School. This week's weekly video message, we're going to detail some of the events which have transpired over the past week within our classroom as well as at the swamp. We are also going to detail some of the events which students, families, and community members can look forward to over the coming week within our classroom as well as at Orchard Lodge Middle School. Let's begin with some of the events which have transpired over the past week. On Monday and Tuesday of last week, students within our class learned about why people migrate. We learned about why people migrated within Mesopotamia, why people have migrated throughout history, and why people migrate even today. We talked about a specific example of why people are migrating out of Mesopotamia today and why they're ending up in different countries within Europe. Throughout the week, last week, students completed a brochure on why people are migrating from Mesopotamia to Germany, where many of the migration patterns and many of the refugees are ending up from modern day Mesopotamia today. On Thursday of last week, Ms. Chestnut, our 6th grade guidance counselor, presented a lesson on bullying and some of the strategies to prevent bullying in middle school and how we can prevent it today. On Friday of last week, we ended our Mesopotamia unit. As far as school events go for last week, all three of our athletic teams came home with a perfect record. Our volleyball and our soccer team came home 2-0, while our football team went down to Smithfield on Thursday and beat Smithfield Middle. That gets us to this week and some of the events which students, families, and community members can look forward to within our classroom, as well as at Orchard Lodge Middle School. Let's begin with talking about some of the events which are going to transpire within our classroom. On Monday of this upcoming week, we're going to begin our Egyptian unit. We're going to start with where we start every unit. We're going to do vocabulary Monday, Tuesday, and possibly Wednesday. And then Thursday and Friday, we're going to wrap up the week with doing geography of Egypt and geography of the Mediterranean and parts of Africa. We're going to set up the unit notebook, and we're going to set up a brand new table of contents and renumber the pages to get it back organized. On Tuesday of this upcoming week will be a floating open house for Orchard Lodge Middle School students. There will be food trucks on the scene, and we invite everybody to come out and attend and to meet the teachers again for us to share some important information. On Wednesday of this upcoming week, we have an important event in athletics. At Corinth Holders High School, Orchard Lodge Middle School will be playing the Riverwood Ravens for the annual rivalry game under lights at 6:59 at Corinth Holders High School. We invite all Orchard Lodge community, all students, all families to come out and attend. With this being Riverwood Week, we are also going to have a Spirit Week as well this week. On Monday will be Red Out Day. Tuesday is Camo Day. Wednesday is Blue Green Day. Thursday is Tacky Hawaiian Day. And Friday is College Sports Team Day. We invite all to participate in this. Pay attention to remind, pay attention to the email, pay attention to websites and key information because we're going to continue to roll it out. Also this week is the book fair, and we invite all, when they're coming out to open house, to also attend the book fair. Remember, every student counts, every moment matters, and make it a great day or not. The choice is always going to be yours.